right there, right behind us.
It's coming at us, ain't it?
No, no, yes, yes. Maybe.
Come on, getting covered with dirt.
There's no outlet.
I know, but at least this thing won't, you know. Okay, I need to turn around.
I think we need to try to get out in front of this thing again.
I know, I know.
Not like them spinning up right by us.
We're fine. That's crazy.
I just, oh yeah.
There it is. Oh God, it's right. It's just sitting there. There it is. Okay, okay. I'm leaving.
Starting to dig in, ain't it?
It's starting to, yeah. I'm good. I'm good. Dude, we're good. It's not a strong tornado right now. Oh my God, my eyes. Oh. James, record out the window. Just don't sit out. Might be a tornado on the right there. There it goes. See a dirt plume, it's on the ground. The big hill kind of misses us. Wow, look at that motion.
Where in the storm's anatomy would you say we are?
We are
Actually, I can look.
in its butthole.
We are just about in the notch.
No, we're in the bear's cage, definitely. We're just northeast of the tornado, which is coming down again. What? Big RFD surge coming around that. Beautiful tornado.
My camera's like, I don't know what you want me to do with this.
Oh shit. I'm gonna get out. Yeah, it's still in there. It's getting heavily rain wrapped now.
Dancing.
Okay, so here's the predicament now. Tornado crossing right in front of us here. Finally, we got a visual on it. We can actually get a little closer. I'm watching. I know, I'm watching.
Wow. Hunter, buddy, look! That's a tornado, bud! Mama's looking at a tornado! It's right there!
Power flash.
I love you, buddy! That's amazing. Look at that thing! Holy shit!
Look at this. Oh my God, look at the rip in motion here on the left. Power flash.
It's gonna cross right in front of us.
It already did.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, it's on the left side of the road.
Oh, shit.
This is where we might lose our window. Very low contrast tornado.
That damage wasn't terrible.
No, it wasn't too bad.
Careful. That's the kind of much we get stuck in.
You're welcome to get out if you want, but
I will.
I can see it right here.
yeah. Ooh, that's a big wall cloud. Rapid rotation. Wow. That thing might drop a big one. There it is. There it is. Look at that. Wow, that's some violent motion right there. Big. There it is. Number 4. Yeah, it's down. Or it already touched once. And there it is again, all the way down. Brief. Yes, there it goes. There goes the sirens again. We got cars coming up, so I'll need to at least reposition. How are we gonna get over there? Whoa.